Oh God! Oh God!
What's good, guys? Welcome to our channel.
We're Mectic Films,
I'm Seth. This is Donnie.
and today we're gonna be sneezing a lot.
Enjoy.
Let's see what kind of reactions we get.
Let's see what kind of reactions we get.
Oh, thank you. I'm sorry. This is my grandma. She freaking put pepper in my burrito, and I don't know why.
Get it in here. They have 2 master closets in one. Bless you.
Sorry about that. I haven't sneezed that hard since Hurricane Nips up in here.
Oh, thank you. I'm sorry. It's just the rabies I have. It's just getting to me, you know?
In a year, someone wearing perfume.
Oh God! Oh God! Help me! I got you! Help me! Ah!
Thanks for watching, guys.
I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you want to see a part 2, make sure you give it a big thumbs up.
Share it with your grandma, your mother, your dog,
Your auntie, your
everybody.
uncle, everybody. We'll see you guys later. Deuces.